I always stop here because this is an awesome place, and if you haven't been here, you need to check this out. The last time I was here was with Way, and my shirt was so stretched after we got finished because Way kept holding on to the back of my shirt the whole way through it. Oh, talk about scary. Right here. Yes. The mysterious mansion. Yep. Anybody out there know anybody who has a forklift that could like be here like now? And a truck. I think we can get away with it. So now here really is my last minute shopping. I'm going in here as soon as they open the Pepper Palace, sorry, because the council is having a Christmas party, and we are going to exchange gifts, and there's somebody that I want to get one of those suckers that's called the Devil's Toe for. Either that or one of the hot gummy bears. And right there it is. So I ended up choosing the gummy. And this says that it is like 9 million Scoville unit chili extract. 900 times hotter than a jalapeno. So, but I got this one because with the sucker, the toe of Satan, that's something you just hold in your mouth. With that one, you chew it, so it gets hotter. Feel like jumping in? The water is icy. I'm not a big fan of donuts, but yes, the donut fryer. That is the best place to get them. Best I've ever had. The donut fryer. It is so cold. I hadn't noticed this before. That's just cute. It is starting to get busy here, and I've got to get back to Pigeon Forge because there's some things I need to pick up. So I am in Pigeon Forge, and it's kind of slow compared. But anyway, I'm going to stop in here and look at this big guy sitting up here. So I just went in there, and they got a lot of stuff. Music playing loudly, so yeah, I didn't record. But I'm going into everything $7.99 or less. I know that's some of the tourist trap stuff, but I like little souvenirs and stuff like that. So I went in there, and there was a young guy working at the counter, and these two older ladies were talking to him, and they kind of had him trapped there because they were talking about how bad children are getting, and no children want to work, and children are offing people, and just all kinds of stuff like that, just gloom and doom. And he started trying to talk to me to get, away from them, but then they started talking about how her son has all these cars, and he's got a boat, and he's got 2 side-by-sides and all that stuff. And I'm telling you, people, Lord, just, I don't know. I guess, elderly people bragging on their children, but gosh. Okay, so here's where I'm gonna have my lunch, because I'm starving after that pancake pantry this morning. That was not good. So I'm at Mel's Diner, and I'm gonna get me some liver and onions. Pasta salad, onion rings, and liver and onions. Now, I'm not going to say that was the best liver and onions that I've ever had, but it was good. And that pasta salad was good. And the onion rings were really crispy and good. Mel's Diner.